An optimal budget-friendly dashcam offers superior video and image capture while driving, serving as a vital tool in establishing faults during accidents. Its high-quality footage becomes indispensable when addressing inquiries from insurance agents, law enforcement, and legal authorities regarding the specifics of a collision. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best budget dash cams you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the 70 Smart Dashcam 1S, our top pick at number 5. Sporting the advanced Sony IMX307 image processor and f2.2 aperture, this dashcam guarantees crystal clear 1080p resolution even in low light conditions. Safeguarding your drive, it boasts loop recording and evidence protection, ensuring your latest footage is always secure. Storage is a breeze with micro SD card support from 16 up to 128 gigabytes. It goes beyond mere recording, automatically saving emergencies with its built-in G sensor. These crucial moments are locked as event files to prevent overwrites. Embrace hassle-free driving with voice control technology, enabling hands-free video and picture capture. For around $40, it's a steal. Packaged with the dashcam are essentials like a USB cable, power adapter, electrostatic sticker, heat-resistant adhesive, and a user manual. Our own experience awarded the 70 Smart Dashcam 1 as a stellar 4.5 out of 5 overall rating. Installation is a breeze. Just attach the electrostatic sticker and you're set. Video quality, thanks to its 130-degree wide-angle lens, is superb, capturing every detail without distortion. Connecting and using the app is a cinch, and the user manual guides you through effortlessly. Elevate your driving safety with the 70 Smart Dashcam 1S. Ranked at number 4, the Z-Edge Z3 Pro reigns as the supreme choice for the best overall dashcam under $100. Its cutting-edge dual-camera system captures crystal-clear 2560 by 1440p at 30 fps through the front lens, while the rear lens records pristine 1920 by 1080p HD footage at 30 fps. Equipped with an advanced NTK96675 processor, both front and rear cams boast night vision capability, ensuring impeccable video quality even in low-light settings. Drive with confidence knowing the Z3 Pro employs automatic safeguards like ignition-triggered recording, crash-detecting built-in G sensors, and an around-the-clock parking surveillance mode. WDR technology optimizes exposure for top-notch image clarity. Accessories bundled with the Z-Edge Z3 Pro include a handy suction cup mount, car and micro USB chargers, cable clips, a user manual, and a thoughtful thank you card. Our experience awarded the Z3 Pro a flawless 5 out of 5 rating across the board. Installation is a breeze with the secure suction mount. Video quality impresses with its wide-angle lens and full HD capabilities, and the user-friendly Z-Dashcam app ensures seamless connectivity with both Android and iOS devices. Discover the Rexing Dashcam V1, a standout choice ranking 3rd in our list of top heat-resistant dashcams under $100. Engineered with a remarkable supercapacitor, it thrives in extreme temperatures, enduring scorching highs of 176 degrees Fahrenheit and icy lows of -20 degrees Fahrenheit. Its prowess is further enhanced by a 170-degree 7-layer glass lens, coupled with advanced WDR technology, ensuring a wide, crystal-clear field of view. Equipped with loop recording and a G sensor, this sleek dashcam boasts a 2160p video capture capability without obstructing your view. The non-touch, yet high-quality LCD screen incorporates durable buttons for effortless navigation. Impressively, the parking monitor activates upon detecting vibrations, auto-recording 20 seconds of vital footage. Priced around $95, the Rexing Dashcam V1 offers exceptional nighttime vision and includes key components like a supercapacitor and parking monitor. Package contents encompass the dash cam itself, an in-car power cable, two 3M adhesive mounts, a USB computer cable, and a user manual. Unveil the road with confidence as the Rexing Dashcam V1 captures moments, safeguarding your journeys with clarity and finesse. Introducing the Galphi Dashcam, your reliable road companion at number 2 on the list. Capturing the action in crystal clear 1440p video at 30 fps, this dashcam is your watchful eye on the road ahead. The power of Petsio, the exclusive app available on both the App Store and Google Play Store, puts control at your fingertips. Unveil recordings, fine-tune settings, and download videos seamlessly. Its advanced GC-CMOS sensor with f1.8 aperture and WDR technology ensures exceptional recording even in challenging conditions. The built-in G-sensor safeguards videos upon impact, while loop recording optimizes storage. With 24/7 parking monitoring and a wide 170-degree lens, blind spots are history. Stay informed with voice guidance and enjoy nighttime vision for added security. Priced around $80, the Galphi Dashcam includes vital extras like a car charger, stickers, and a user manual. Enhance your drive. Trust Galphi. Say hello to the Kingslim D5 4K Dashcam, the top choice for road enthusiasts. Ranked number 1, it stands out with its unparalleled features in a pocket-friendly range at $76. Experience the road like never before on its 2.0-inch IPS screen, a rare gem in dashcams. The added GPS module ensures playback precision, seamlessly merging video and GPS data. Unmatched night vision is owed to HDR, Sony Starvis sensor, and 6-layer glass lenses. Its vigilant parking mode boasts collision and motion detection. From 4K video prowess to captivating time lapses, it doesn't miss a detail. Priced around $75, it's a steal. Boxed to lights with extras, GPS bracket, car charger, cable clips, stickers, adhesive tape, and more. Our verdict: 4.7 overall, 5 for installation and video quality, 4.5 for user experience. Setup breeze with included tools. Crisp 4K video fuels the experience, though the app's UX calls for improvement. Elevate your road tales with Kingslim D5 4K Dashcam. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.